Hello everyone and welcome to our little holiday special. As you can see, we are clearly not even close to where we were in our last video. And those bells you hear, that is the actual background sound, and as you might have guessed, it comes from that huge building in the background, the Osnabruecker Dome. We are currently in Germany and would like to show you the historic Christmas market in our former hometown. So sit back and enjoy. Let's start with the delicious smells.
It's delicious.
Smell of sugar,
Mulled wine,
waffles. I'm getting hungry now anyway.
Yeah. Is it warm?
Schon wieder essen?
Schon wieder essen. All we do here is
Eat. Pretty good?
Wow.
By the way, it's called chimney cake.
Yeah.
And you can tell why, because it's steaming.
Will you try?
Yep. Looks good.
It's not fried, it's roasted.
Oh, yeah, right. Cool.
Hey there, buddy. It's just me again. Came into my mind last night, so I'm just checking in. It's been far too long now since I last saw you, my friend. So happy Christmas from me to you. Hey there, buddy. It's just me again. I wonder what you do.
It's hot. Cheers.
If you're listening, I just wish there was some way things could have been different. But happy Christmas.
Yeah, you're going first.
Okay.
The windy.
So, just to explain, we're going up the church tower here in Osnabrueck. It's the Marienkirche, and it's a very windy staircase, and it's a great view from up there. So we will take you guys with us, and I hope I don't get dizzy because this is very windy.
And we just had warm alcohol.
Huh?
We just had warm alcohol.
Yeah, and that.
I'm getting dizzy.
And the church bells are ringing, by the way. So, if you're wondering what that noise was, these bells here, they were ringing for 15 minutes and everybody was just standing here trying to not go deaf. You okay, honey bun?
That was sensory overload.
Yeah, that was quite something, eh? That was loud.
You can feel it inside the chest.
Yeah, look at those beasts. just to explain where we're at, we're on the top of the bell tower of the church, Marienkirche, and there's this walkway around the tower, and it's a great view down towards the Christmas market, and yeah, and when the bells are not ringing, it's even quieter. It was loud. Yeah. Down there, by the way, that's the City Hall of Osnabrueck. That's Rathaus des Westfälischen Friedens. There's quite a backstory to that, so I might be able to put something on the bottom of the screen what that is about.
I like the red lights.
Yeah.
We should go walk there.
Yeah. After we enjoyed this awesome view, we are making our way back down. You want to make sure to wait in areas with enough space, especially before entering the spiral staircase, because it can get quite cozy there, but it's so much fun. By the way, this is the ceiling of the church inside. Pretty cool, eh? Yeah, it's pretty tight here, so we have to wait until the stairwell is free for us. Huh?
And more coming?
No, I think we can go now. Let's give it a try.
Can I come down now?
Yes.
Oh, that was cozy.
Let's go and traffic here.
Yeah.
Wie schönlich.
Ja. Woohoo!
Made it.
Who would have thought that Christmas could bring tears to my eyes? Don't get me wrong, still enjoy full time.
Eating again?
Some salmon.
This song. Look at the snow, it's Christmas, and there's our mistletoe. Among all the gifts and all the Christmas cards, I think of you, don't forget. I ring a bell for those who have nothing, so lend a helping hand. And if you do the very best you can, it won't be hard to understand.
That has been there since I was a little child.
Yeah.
But it used to be an old man, and he had like a monkey sitting, like a fake monkey, sitting on the organ, and it would like dance.
Yeah, I remember.
Remember?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
What is it called in English?
Organ play? I don't know.
In German it's Drehorgel.
It's Drehorgel, yeah.
We hope you enjoyed our little Christmas special. If yes, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel. It's free and would help us to create more videos in the future. We wish you all the best and have fun and enjoyable holidays. See you soon.